All right, John with Alpha doing a repair attempt here. It is 2:47 on the 4th of May, Thursday, 74 degrees. This repair is for Mr. Hassan. And this is, we're gonna attempt to replace this shingle here and see how it goes. I'm gonna outline the entire shingle and go from there. So that's this one. So this is the shingle I'm going to be removing. To do that one, we are going to be affecting this shingle, which is 2, 3 with this one, 4, 5, and then 6 and 7. I'm gonna have to drag my tool across these to properly lift those. Let's get started. Shingle is incredibly sealed down. Wow. That was impossible without damaging the shingle underneath it. Shingle's just disintegrating here. Completely tore. Man. At this point, this shingle is absolutely too sealed down. There's no way to remove, to continue up. I do not feel comfortable continuing with this repair in any way, shape, or form. You're already starting to see creases. The matting is completely ripped from the prior shingle. This is the one we're trying to replace. I do not feel comfortable, nor do I want to cause any more damage to this roof or roofing system. What we're going to do is we're going to tarp over this, and yeah, my recommendation is to completely replace the roof. There's way too much damage. Thank you.